Good morning, everybody. Bought some fabric. One of them I bought this one on Etsy, and it was a scrap. And it's actually, when I pulled it out of the packet, it's not what it's what I expected, but it's not what I expected. It's a scrap of fabric like this, and I thought, ooh, I could do things with that. And I thought it looked lovely, but when I got it, it's actually velvet, which is even better because I'm sure I'll be able to. I was thinking of some kind of applique on things. So watch this space, because you will see me doing something with this in some form or other. And it's only a little piece. I got it for about £1. It was bidding, and I kept an eye on it. I thought I'd keep an eye on it, and then I bid for it. I don't think there was any other bids for it, or maybe there was, and I think I beat that person. And one day I'll show you how I do that. Anyway, I got that, and then I got this. This was from eBay as well, but it's from Minerva. I don't know why Minerva sells some of its fabric on eBay, and this caught my eye, and I thought, oh, this is lovely, and I quite fancy making another one of those shirt dresses that I made, and it's this. I figured it might look quite nice as a shirt dress. It's a lovely viscose challis with pink flowers on, and it's got a lovely drape to it, so I think that would go. I think that might look quite nice as a shirt dress. Will it go with grey hair? I don't know, but so watch this space for that when I eventually get round to doing it. Oh, what does it say on the bottom here? It says Minerva.com. It doesn't say. It's EM47567 EMA. But if you look on eBay, I think they've still got them. It's a viscose challis, and it's if you look for a check viscose challis, it might pull you up on it. If I find it, I'll put the link down below. So that one I actually got this a few days ago, and the last one. Where did I get this from? Well, this is from Minerva Fabrics as well, on eBay. And this one I got 3 meters of as well. Yes, 3 meters. And again, I thought it would make another nice shirt type dress, or something with a circular skirt to it. And that again was on eBay. So I'll see if I can find the link, I'll put the link below for you. So that was, I bought 3 meters of that, £6.99. 7 3s, £21 for this to make a dress. And I think the one that I've been making, I generally just get 3 meters out of it. I just get it out to 3 meters. His lordship has had hay fever. He's been forging ahead trying to get his landscaping done, get his the garden sorted, and I think it's taken his toll on him. He's fine this morning, but for the first 2 or 3 days he wasn't doing very well. I almost forgot to show you. This is the DIBY Poncho. Was it a poncho? I'll put the pattern up there. It was a free pattern, and I was going to do a sew along to it, but it was so straightforward. I thought, well, you shouldn't need to. You've got basically you've got a front and a back. You have a pocket, and you sew your pocket onto the front in the position where it is on the pattern. I have put a double line down there, and your hands go into here. So the way that I've done mine, it means you've got 2 pockets rather than 1. And then I sewed both shoulder seams. And then what I did, I'm not sure if the pattern said to do it this way, but I always sew the sleeves up on first, then added the cuffs, and then sewed down the side. So I wouldn't normally do this with a really good garment, but because it's just a cheapo, because it's just a poncho, I did it like that. So I sewed down there. I did it when I didn't have my overlocker, so there is no overlocking on it. Top stitched all over, top stitched on the back of the hood, and it's very big, so I'll try it on. I did the smallest size, and this is the smallest size. I'll show you what it's. Very roomy, very umbrella-ish. Let's have a look. This is the smallest size. Can you see me? And there, hands in the pockets, there. Where are you? There. Hands in the pockets, plenty of room there. And there's little cuffs that I've added on. Elasticated cuffs. And the hood. I'll put the hood up so you can see what it's like. I haven't yet put the drawstring in. I've made the buttonhole for it, but I haven't yet put the drawstring on, so I've got that to sort out. I think I can't find where I put my drawstring, so I'll find them. They're somewhere in here. I really must enter that in my book. But it's not a bad little thing. Which one do I prefer? I don't know. This one was a lot easier to make than the assembly line poncho. But yeah, they're both equally the same. What I'll do is I'll put a picture up of me wearing this one and a picture up of me wearing the other one, and you can make a decision. There you go. That's this one, nice and wide, and it's also really meant for to be a bed one. I've got some nice fluffy material that I bought. I've got some lovely fluffy material that I bought, and I think I might do a one in the fluffy material for just sitting around in the house on a winter's evening, lightly. Not so much in the summer, but something just like this to wear when it's cold in the winter. So I've got that, and I'll be using this pattern to make it, but I shall probably be making it soon, so you'll get to see. And the reason why I'm making it soon is because I want to get rid of half of this stuff in my cupboards, and that takes up an awful lot of room. So if I make it up, it's going to get rid of some of the space, and it's going to give me a bit more space in here. So that is the DIBY poncho. I can see this going down well in lots of at these the festivals that everybody's going to in the summer. Just a nice little waterproof thing just to protect you while you're out if it rains. They're £60 online to buy, so that, and this cost me, I think it was £4 a metre, so it cost me £8. Or even less than that. It might have been £2.50 a metre. It was from Pound Fabrics. Very good. Pound Fabrics sometimes have some really good offers, and this is one of them. This fabric's lovely. I'm really impressed by this. So I've put in water resistant fabrics. These have come up. They don't have a great lot. They've got the plain ripstop ones in different colours. £2.75. So that's not bad for a metre. Then you've got the PU coated water repellent fabric for £25. These camouflage ones £3.50, and the bamboo look water resistant, which is £4.50. The one that I got with these ones £2 a metre, but sadly, because I talked about them the last time, the fabric is now out of stock, but they might get more in, you never know. And then you've got holographic shiny raincoat fabric, if you like that. I don't know what that would look like. Oh no, it's out of stock as well. So unfortunately you can't get those. If you are looking at these and thinking, oh golly, that's a bargain, 50p. It's actually bamboo fabric for furnishings. But if you quite like that, and if you quite like that, look at that. 50p a metre, I believe. Let's check it and see. Is it 50p a metre? A metre? Maybe it's not. No, it's £7.50 a metre. It's 50p a sample. Oh, that was a bit of a letdown, wasn't it? Never mind. But that you get some idea that Pound Fabrics do have some cheap fabrics now and again. you, and I'm going to leave you, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.